Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular models, the Silonn Ice Maker and the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker. Both machines boast impressive features, including the ability to produce 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes and a daily capacity of 26 pounds. However, they differ significantly in price and design. Let's dive into the details and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to price, the Silonn Ice Maker is priced at $109, while the Sweetcrispy model is more budget-friendly at just $79. This significant price difference makes the Sweetcrispy a more appealing option for those looking to save money without sacrificing performance. Next, let's discuss water tank capacity. The Silonn Ice Maker features a larger 2.0-liter water tank, allowing for less frequent refills compared to the Sweetcrispy's 1.2-liter tank. This makes the Silonn more suitable for larger gatherings or extended use, as it can produce more ice without interruption. Finally, let's look at the dimensions and portability of these machines. The Silonn Ice Maker is slightly larger, measuring 12.5 by 8.7 by 12.3 inches, while the Sweetcrispy is more compact at 11.4 by 8.9 by 10.6 inches. If you're short on counter space or need a portable option for RVs or small kitchens, the Sweetcrispy may be the better choice. In conclusion, both the Silonn and Sweetcrispy ice makers offer excellent performance with their ability to produce ice quickly. However, the choice ultimately depends on your specific needs. If you prioritize a larger water tank and don't mind spending a bit more, the Silonn is a great option. On the other hand, if you're looking for a more affordable and portable solution, the Sweetcrispy is hard to beat. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.